Bonjour, I'm Vivienne. Welcome to the beautiful Loire Valley of France, home to the world's most spectacular fairy tale castles. It is also the location of my home, a small neo-Renaissance chateau, which I share with my husband, Simon, our daughter, Isabella, and whenever possible, friends and family. Join us this holiday season for lots of festive inspiration as we explore special destinations, see lavish decorations, cook special food, listen to magical music, decorate our own chateau, and of course, share plenty of chateau love. It's the crack of dawn and we've just arrived on the ferry from France to England. We are on our way to see Isabella's graduation. She's getting her master's degree and we are so proud of her. So we're on the ferry. We're gonna have a 6-hour ferry ride to get to the southwest of England. And if you were with us last week, we were in Switzerland. So this Christmas, we are doing Christmas in 4 different locations: Switzerland, England, Paris, and the Chateau. So if you want to see Paris and the Chateau, make sure you stay tuned because we have lots of fun adventures coming soon. But this week, we're in England and it's going to be a very British Christmas. Well, it's not the kind of sailing that you like to do, but it's quite pretty. Yeah. You're teasing me for vlogging on the boat.
Yeah.
That's not very nice. At least there's nobody here to see me.
Well, it's early in the morning.
It is very early in the morning.
This is how you have to make your videos.
Simon and I are both working. And when I say crack of dawn, it is crack of dawn. You see the sun is just rising. But there's no rest for the weary or the wicked, as they say. Which one are you? Are you weary or are you wicked?
A little bit of both at this point.
We're arriving and I even managed to do some editing. Simon, I can't quite believe it. We've left cold, rainy, grey France to arrive in sunny England.
I need my sunglasses on. I can't believe it. I'm driving here and the sun is in my eyes.
Yes, it is. It is bright and sunny here.
And Nana Valerie, who have just arrived from their wonderful travels abroad.
And Jack.
Let's not forget Jack. Everybody knows Jack.
He's a fan favorite now.
Yes.
We're currently here at the Exeter Christmas Market, about to do some exploring before going up to my campus to show these wonderful people my loves.
Yay!
Yay! We're heading to the cathedral and going through the Christmas market.
Lovely. Let's check it out. It's beautiful.
And then it'll go quack, quack, quack in the middle of English.
Look at the coat of arms.
Where? Oh, up there, 1596. That's old. Would anybody like some moonshine? I found the moonshine stall. It's very popular. Are you actually going to sample the moonshine?
Of course, I'll always sample moonshine.
He's from. Listen, we're from the deep south. This is how we roll.
Tennessee.
Exactly. Sticky toffee moonshine?
Yeah.
That sounds pretty good,
I can't
actually.
believe they actually have flavored. They've got berry cherry,
It looks pretty good.
macadamia,
I recognise that
and then there's the high fruit stuff.
That is the accent of moonshine, is what that is.
That's an experienced gent right there. Would you like in the back?
I've never seen flavored moonshine.
Well,
Don't you worry, sir. This isn't the old school stuff. We no longer make it in my bathtub because apparently I don't taste too good. Thank you very much. If you'd like a rundown of the flavours, sir, we have a hazelnut and vanilla, which is our Ferrero Rocher flavour. We have a roasted apple, which is a slight marzipan flavour. I don't know if you've ever tried a Battenberg cake.
Do you have Battenberg cake in the States?
No.
I didn't think so. It's that pink yellow.
Yeah, I can point it out to you later. Sorry, it's kind of like an almond.
You need to if you've never tried one.
It's
before.
classic,
Wonderful.
English cake. Yeah.
We have a macadamia nut, which is just pure nut, almost like Brazil nut essence. We have a sticky toffee, which is our caramel and vanilla, and we have our maraschino cherry. However, since you are from the States, I do recommend the
high proof.
original 50%.
The regular stuff.
Exactly, sir.
the old fat, the original.
Right.
The original.
Guaranteed no blindness, I promise.
All right, good.
He's like, oh.
That look, I could tell. You
Would you
hope.
like to try it, sir?
Of course.
Which one are you going to go for?
Straight up.
Straight up?
Straight up.
Okay, wonderful. I
That's
appreciate
my
it very
dad.
much.
Yeah.
You don't have any medical problems I should know about, sir?
And that's what I'm going to tell you.
I'm gonna tell you. Could I try the sticky toffee, please?
By all
Thank you so
means.
much. I feel like I really do need to try some with my granddad.
Yeah,
There you go. Thanks very much.
Right, ready? Cheers.
How about yourself, guys? Would you care to try any?
I'll try a sticky toffee.
By all means.
How is it?
Oh, delicious.
It's very nice.
That's really good.
Thanks very much. How about yourself, sir?
Okay.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay. Isabella, can I have a sip? Is there any left?
Realize you're supposed to sip it.
Tough nut, please.
Fantastic. That's our Ferrero.
Wow.
I want one.
Is it good?
One. All right, great.
Really good.
Taste it.
I'll taste yours. Thank
Sorry,
you.
I got a bit confused.
Sorry.
Would you like a pouring it with that for £3?
It's actually not bad. Well, it's Christmas time, and I'm going to get us some moonshine.
Should we?
Yes.
Granddad, would you like a thing of moonshine?
Woo, that one's strong.
Keep giving.
That just warmed me right up.
Oh, yeah.
And you liked your sticky toffee, Isabella?
Delicious. It tasted like caramel fudge. Here, I feel like it's
Oh,
just
see,
more.
that's scary stuff.
Macadamia.
Yeah, that's scary. It tasted a bit too good.
Well, is it? Do you think it's got sugar in it?
No, mine didn't.
Yeah.
Sticky toffee.
yours is pure grain. Yours is the
Right.
the bathtub variety.
Right.
Should we get the pure stuff?
No, he said he didn't do it in the bathtub.
Yeah, he promised
Not
us.
anymore, because apparently it doesn't taste too good.
Right. I just like the regular old still.
Wonderful. Huh?
Did you just get ID'd?
No.
Okay, did you like it?
Yeah, that is really good.
So which one are we gonna get, guys?
I feel like we should go straight up.
How long are you guys here for?
A couple more days. Yeah, I did my master's here, so we're just doing the tour tomorrow for graduation.
From Tennessee, who appreciates your moonshine, so it
You
doesn't
know
get any
what?
better than that.
That is a great endorsement. that.
High praise. And I are now inside of the stand selling personalized Christmas ornaments. We're having such a good time that we're going to get one made of all of us to celebrate this Christmas.
M-A-M-A.
Yep.
And Papa, so P-A-P-A. L-L-A.
Okay,
Yes.
we're in England. We love cheese, and behind us is the land of cheese.
Look.
Stilton, cheddar.
Award-winning Cheshire cheeses.
Yes, I mean France does
All
have
with
good
wax on
cheese.
them, I know.
Now we're going to pop into the Exeter Cathedral. It is a glorious monument here in the center of town. It's amazing to think that this extraordinary cathedral was built going back all the way to 1050.
Graduation today. So this up here is what's known as the Exeter Rock, and it's a very famous rock because it basically is a rock that says the University of Exeter. Excuse me, and it's a famous place to take photos because it's right in front of the main
And it's time to do our Christmas shopping. So there are some things that we can only get in Britain that we really like to have at Christmas, and so we're taking the advantage of being here for graduation to do a little bit of shopping and catch up on some of the things that we can't get in France. But let's have a look at some of these counters over here. So here we are. This is a 6-month matured Christmas pudding. Can't get this in France. Got to be here in England to get this. Perfect.
Ooh, look at all the kinds of cream they have. So these will go great with our Christmas pudding.
Yeah, this is traditional brandy butter and cream that you have with Christmas pudding.
And we found some French things. The golden bûche de Noël, which in French means the French Yule log. And look how sparkly they are. Pretty.
So here we are. Now, one thing we need is ham. Special ham that we can only get really here in Britain because they don't make it the same way in France. And also some of our cheeses, which again we can really only get here in Britain, the same quality. So things like Stilton and so on. These are really our British cheeses, and then even though you can get them in England, in France, they're just so much better and you get so much more variety here. So this is what we're here for.
Made with love. Let me see what you got. All of the English cheeses.
I think there's plenty of cheese for us.
Can you ever have too much cheese? Here we have more of the famous Stilton.
So here we go.
What's this?
This is another waxed cheese.
Oh, it's from Bruton, where I went to school.
This is Godminster Vintage Bruton Beauty.
Oh, Bruton Beauty, just like me.
I think we have to get that because we have our own Bruton Beauty.
Aww. What are you picking at now, Pops?
Well, another thing that's difficult to find, Branston pickle. So this is brilliant in sandwiches with cheese sandwiches with Branston pickles. Beautiful. So there it is.
Yummy yum.
It's original, but they also have it in a small chunk.
Ooh.
Yeah, they chop the pieces up.
Which one's your favorite?
I'm just going to get the original.
Yeah? And what would you eat it with?
Cheddar and other cheeses.
Yeah. Just with bread?
And sometimes with ham. Yeah, with ham, yeah.
Yum. So, I've convinced Papa to let me buy a very special Christmas goodie. A gingerbread house. This year I'm getting very big into the Christmas spirit, and so I'm very excited to try it. Christmas gingerbread houses aren't a big tradition in France. They're more Anglo-Saxon. So you'll see them more commonly in the States and in the UK, obviously. So yeah, in France, it's not a big tradition, therefore we can't find them in stores. This year's the year. Are you excited to build this together?
Really, yes.
Really?
It's gonna be fun, yeah.
So we have just finished our big Christmas shop of the year. We have all of our bags and groceries all packed behind us, as you can see. We will do a little unpacking segment in future videos to come, so you can see everything we bought at the store and all of the British Christmas goodies that England has to offer, of which we are big fans, as you can tell. But yeah, to summarize, I think the main things we loved that we are really excited to try and that we were very keen on buying were Christmas pud, English cheeses, surprisingly, although we live in France, mince pies, and then what would you say the last one is, Papa?
Well, ham.
Ham.
Gammon. We got some smoked ham,
some gammon.
which you
Brandy
can't
cream?
get easily. Some nice roast ham. And what else did we get? We got our turkey.
Turkey.
Although
We can do that in France.
You can get those in France, but the French really celebrate Christmas with turkey, but also with seafood.
Yeah.
You know, they have a lot of seafood.
Yeah,
So-
that's the traditional Christmas banquet in France is things like
Fruit de mer,
oysters,
yeah.
mussels, shrimp,
Yeah.
and yeah, so everything we call fruit de mer. So Papa, do you want to say what fruit de mer means?
Fruit to the sea.
Fruit to the sea.
I see la vie en rose when you press me to your heart. I'm in a world apart, a world where roses bloom. And when you speak, angels sing from above. Everyday words seem to turn into love songs. Give your heart and soul to me, and life will always be la vie en